नेशनल साइंस डे इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लाइफ साइंस इसको बड़े दिलोजान से इसको मनाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे आज करीब 300 बच्चे आए, लेकिन हमारे फैकल्टी लोग दूसरे जगह पे गए हैं, जैसे नुआपड़ा में गया है, बलांगीर में गए हैं, कोरापुट में गए हैं, गजपति में गए हैं और जगत सिंहपुर में गए हैं। और हर एक जगह पे, एक जगह तो ऐसा है जहाँ पे 800 बच्चे इकट्ठे हुए थे, तो कुल मिला के 2000 बच्चे आए। और इस हमारे जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है वो विज्ञान को अपना फर्स्ट चॉइस लेंगे और इसके वजह से अच्छा डिस्कवरी करेंगे। सो वीमेन इन साइंस इस साल का थीम रहा है। ILS में जैसे आप देखेंगे कि हमारे यहाँ पे वीमेन फैकल्टीज हैं, वीमेन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स है, वीमेन सपोर्ट स्टाफ है और बच्चे PhD स्टूडेंट अगर देखा जाए तो मुझे लगता है कि करीब 50% या उससे हल्का सा ज़्यादा होगा वीमेन का कैंडिडेट।
There are several publications, information available on the internet. Some of the faculties also are available today.
You're a world scientist. Anybody else? The rest of the four?
And this year the theme is Women in Science, Catalyzing Viksit Bharat.
And even the immune therapy, but T-cell therapy, that T-cell therapy that is coming out, that's what they do. They need the T-cells, recognize the ancestors, but that they can build an immune attack again.
If you take anything, all the food materials to whatever, all the chemicals, all are carcinogenic. So avoid as much as possible. Okay, plastic. Okay, especially microplastic.
Because without a sound theoretical knowledge of anything, even a practical experience is of not much value. So you people should really focus on understanding concepts, on being able to think with the concepts and here is action level exam.
And yet it itself is a training. Every lab is different, every research is different. Wherever you go, you start from scratch. Your training means nothing. Only thing we need is your knowledge and curiosity and your eager to learn.
Our study says, so it is the antibiotics is not required, and you need only the antiviral means. And if it is not going on, then if you have certain symptoms like cough or something, secondary infection, then antibiotics. But most of the time it is only primary.
तो आज जो नेशनल साइंस डे है 28 फरवरी और ILS ये जो अरेंज कर रहा है नेशनल साइंस डे के ओकेजन पर, ये ऑब्वियसली सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, जिसमें कि हम लोग यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, जैसे कि डिफरेंट फील्ड ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, लाइफ साइंसेस के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त की मैंने।
आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू अटेंड इवेंट इन नेशनल साइंस डे ILS Institute. It taught us many more things about our future. future. We met several scientists who help us guiding our future. They gave us very much knowledge about the cancer treatment or any infectious disease. Many of all, this is very good management. Also, we learn many more things about this. Thank you.
So research is the only way that is to bring solutions to our day-to-day problems. So that is the theme of this year. Science Day was encouraging the women for the research and innovations, because it will bring the gender equality, and also it will encourage the women power to give 100% participations for the research and the scientific progress of the country. Thank you.
Thanks to all the faculties who have helped here, and the faculties and the team of students and postdocs who have gone to 5 outstation locations. Few faculties were here to organize many events, many quiz, video making, infographics, sketch, essay competitions. Thank you to all the participants who have participated, although everyone didn't win. And thanks to everyone, and look forward to seeing them again at ILS. Thank you.